What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-116486-6. There was an issue connecting to the server. It's simply a connection error or a network error, PSN network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Just simply let's go to the settings here and just wait. Here you are at the settings, and there is a user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and you must check your login settings. The PS console is logged in or not. Both are. So, and then what to do? You just go to the network here and view PlayStation Network services. Now you check the server. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates or under maintenance, that's why you're getting this error. If the server is not working, then you just wait, do nothing, so it will fix this up automatically. If the all is working up services, then you have a local internet problem. So you must contact with the local internet provider or set your own internet connection, frequency settings, go to the advanced settings, check the DNS settings. Sometimes you're having a problem with the DNS. You can change the DNS manually also. And I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN directly connected from the router to PlayStation 5, and you will just set an internet connection and it will be good. So simply that's how you can fix this PSN network error, connection error. So if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.